Extract the downloaded software package. Locate M2RF customtool.exe. Right-click and run it as administrator. Locate the downloaded M2RF DMG file. Double-click to install. Click Finish when the prompt pops up. Open Settings and navigate to Privacy and Security. Locate M2RF and click Open Anyway. Complete security verification with your password or fingerprint. Select your language. Take the complementary magnetic data cable. With the positive terminal facing the top of the adapter, secure it firmly to the adapter. Connect the Type-C connector of the data cable to your computer. Press the AF/MF button on the adapter once. The adapter will establish communication with the software from the 4 sets of custom lens profiles. Select one set as the default lens profile. The aperture value after ABCD is the setting code for the corresponding lens profile. After entering the focal length and maximum aperture of the lens, enter the exact name of the lens you have prepared in advance into the lens model field. Set the focal length, aperture, and model for the 4 sets of lens profiles in sequence. Save the setting data to the adapter. Exit the software and disconnect the adapter. Remove the front and rear caps of the adapter, as well as the camera body cap. Locate the lens mounting mark on the camera body. Locate the mounting alignment dot on the adapter. Align the 2 marks, then rotate clockwise until the adapter is securely mounted. Remove the rear cap of the lens. Locate the mounting alignment dot on the lens. Align it with the mounting alignment dot on the adapter. Rotate the lens clockwise until it is securely mounted. Turn on the camera power. Take a test shot. Verify the current lens information. Press and hold the AF/MF multifunction button for 3 seconds. The adapter will enter lens profile switching mode. Turn the aperture dial. Adjust the aperture value to f2.8, which corresponds to the Leica M 50mm f1.4 lens. Take a photo. Turn off the camera completely. The lens will automatically retract to the lowest position at this time. Turn on the camera power again. Take a photo. The lens profile has now been switched to Leica M 50mm f1.4 lens. Lens profile switching for the adapter is complete. Set the physical aperture of the lens to the preset value. Toggle the aperture dial. Adjust it to the position corresponding to the physical aperture of the lens. The aperture value on the camera body will now be synchronized with the physical aperture of the lens. In autofocus mode, press the AF/MF multifunction button once. The adapter will switch from autofocus mode to manual focus mode. Press the AF/MF multifunction button twice in quick succession. The adapter will enter manual macro mode. The lens will extend to the maximum position. In manual focus mode, press the AF/MF multifunction button once. The lens will retract to the lowest position. The adapter will switch to autofocus mode. Press and hold the lens release button on the adapter. Rotate the lens counterclockwise to complete lens removal. Press and hold the lens release button on the camera body. Rotate the adapter counterclockwise to complete adapter removal. Reattach the camera body cap and the front and rear caps of the adapter. Thanks for your watching.